welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to turn this ceramic pig figurine. I think it's for your lawn, I'm not sure. You can have it for your lawn or indoors, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to turn it into a planner today. This is the first time I'll be trying this. Hopefully I don't break it. I'm going to be using a grinder and I'm going to be going very slow and steady just to make sure I don't break it. If I do break it, well, it was only $5 because I got it on clearance. So all I did for now was tape it up, and my goal is to just make a cut around that big, and then I'll make some drainage also on it, and I'll show you guys how I'm about to do that. Okay guys, make sure to wear your safety goggles just in case, and I have some water also to spray just to keep the blade full. I mean, this feels like it might be pretty easy to cut through, but I'm gonna try. So my idea how I'm gonna do it, because I've never done this before, I normally make drainage lines on pots. So my goal first is to make a line here and a line here, and then just try to guide it the best I can. I don't really care if it's not gonna look perfect, because my plants will cover all that. So my goal really is just not to break it. So here we go, guys. So now what I'm going to do is make drainage like I normally do on my pots. I'm gonna just try to make a big X, and that's it. That's good. Anyways guys, so that's how you turn an ordinary pig figurine into a planner. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up. I'm look through my plants and pick out some really pretty plants, and I'll show you guys how I do it. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I am ready to start potting this up. What I did is I shopped around my collection and picked up some plants that I think will do well in there. These plants don't require really strong sun. They will do well in bright lit areas, so that's why I chose these, because I'm thinking of where I'm gonna put it. It's probably like in my front porch somewhere, and I think that is gonna do well there. So when I have big pots like this, so my concern with big pots is how quickly is the soil gonna dry, because it's gonna be a lot of soil in there. So what I like to do, and what I have done in the past and it works well for me, is I like to take styrofoam and break some pieces off and put it in there so they could take up some of the space that the soil would. So that I get to use less soil, so I save on soil, but not only that, my soil should dry quicker because it's less soil. I am also using Miracle Cactus soil and pumice. I finally got the pumice that I ordered in the mail, so I have a mixture of that, so that's what I'll be using. I'm gonna start getting ready and start designing and see how it turns out. Okay guys, so I have filled the pig. I want to make sure to let you guys know that I made sure I put a mesh on the drainage, and I made sure that the styrofoam did not cover the drainage at all. Especially when I put the soil in, I made sure to put the soil right on top of the drainage and to keep the styrofoam away, so I know that my drainage will not be covered by the styrofoam. So just want to make sure you guys know that. So obviously I want to start with this one. I'm just gonna start, and if it doesn't fit or if it's not looking like I'm gonna like it, I will remove it. I like this one like that. Okay. Okay. Let's see how I'm gonna place this one. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'm just gently pushing down on her there. Okay. This beauty right here. Okay. Working with the booty of the pig now. Right here. Okay, I hope this inspired you guys. Don't break anything and then get mad at me. Just I would, if you want to try this, I would try it on something that very inexpensive and that it won't really bother you too much if it doesn't, you know, if it does break on you, that you're okay with it. So yeah. Hey guys, there she is in all her glory. I don't think the lighting here, because it's kind of overcast, is doing this pig justice. She is so pretty. Look at that. It's really Lucina. How pretty she looks there. I hope I can get some really good pictures for you guys. Here's the booty. She looks so cute. She came out so good. She came out better than what I expected. When I start a project, I kind of have an idea, but I really don't know how well it's going to turn out, and I really love this. So my pig was on clearance at Tuesday morning, and it didn't have a price on it, and the lady was just like, oh, whatever. She just put any price. Anyways, at the end, with the 40% off of the original price that she said, it came out to $5. That was crazy. So I have a picture from Home Depot, and theirs is $40, and I made mine with $5 with my own plants. So there you go, guys. It's so cute, and I love it even more because I designed it myself, and I was, you know, I was able to pick out my own plants. So, and I like the color. She's too cute. She's very farmhouse style, and I love it. My daughter loves pigs. She hasn't seen it yet, and I know she's gonna love it as soon as she does. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. As usual, I will post pictures at the end. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.